On today's installation video we'll be showing you how to install a race chip on the BMW B58 3-liter engine, equipped in the BMW G05X5X Drive 50e. Before installing the race chip, please wait for the vehicle's engine to cool down, put the parking brake on. If equipped, please disable the vehicle's alarm system, open the vehicle's hood, roll up the vehicle's windows, close the vehicle's doors. Lock the vehicle, move the vehicle's key 30 feet, 10 meters, away from the vehicle. Wait 10 minutes before starting the installation. This will allow the remaining electricity to leave the vehicle. First step on the installation is to remove the plastic engine cover. We're going to gently lift and pull away. Connect the A connection to the turbo boost pressure sensor at the front of the engine. To unplug the sensor plug, we pull back on the white locking tab and then press down, and then we'll take our female end of the race chip connection harness and plug that directly into the OEM sensor, locking in place with the locking tab. Then we take that female end of the sensor plug connection and plug it into the male end of the race chip wiring harness. We put that locking tab to the smooth side of the race chip harness. Move on to the B connection at the manifold absolute pressure sensor located in the middle top of the engine. Unplug the sensor by pulling back on the white locking tab, pushing down. Then plug in the female end of the race chip wiring harness, locking it in place. Connect the female end of the sensor plug to the male end of the race chip wiring harness, ensuring the locking tab aligns with the smooth side of the harness. After removing the deactivation plug, store it in your center console or glove box for future use. When reinstalling the race chip, ensure there's no power to the device initially. It's crucial that upon the first installation, no LED screen lights up or green LED illuminates. Now we're going to place our 4 locking tabs into the race chip. These locking tabs are really handy. If you ever need to remove the race chip for warranty or service work, you can simply push out the tabs in the 4 corners to remove the race chip while leaving the locking tabs and zip ties in place. And finally, put the plastic engine cover back in place. Simply press down and you're all set. Start in the default setting of the race chip for the first time you test drive the car. If everything works great, you can then move the race chip to the next level up. Be aware that the car needs some time to adapt before releasing the full performance upgrade. Now get out, drive and enjoy your race chip.